Meta's Connect 2025 event might have ended within an hour, but it was enough to shake up the smart glasses world completely. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub of all the tech news. Let's start with the showstopper, the long-awaited Meta Ray-Ban display, now with an actual screen, and it's not holding back. This $799 pair of specs comes with a full-color display, yes, color, letting you check messages, control music, preview photos, and even navigate through the city, all without touching your phone. With up to 6 hours of battery and 30 hours with the charging case, they're as practical as they are futuristic. Sure, they're somewhat bulkier than the previous Ray-Bans, but the early use has suggested that your comfort won't be compromised. And Meta wasn't done here. They paired the glasses with a new neural band, a sleek EMG wristband that reads subtle finger movements to control your specs. It has data from over 200,000 people and works right out of the box, like telekinesis, but nerdier. Excuse me, is this 2030 already? If you're not ready for the display version, the Gen 2 Ray-Bans have double the battery life and upgraded 3K Ultra HD video, and it starts at a price of $379. But wait, there's more. For the athletes, there's Oakley Vanguard. Built with Meta's loudest speakers yet and optimized for outdoor performance, they sync with Garmin and Strava for real-time fitness updates. Auto capture even films your highs, like reaching a new elevation or hitting a personal best. Whether you're fashion-forward, fitness freak, or just want to live in the future, Meta's new wave of AI glasses is coming for your face on September 30th. So, are you excited for its launch? Comment down below and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.